fishing and talking about how fishing went.
Oh, looking for investors.
But it's hard to find a backer we can...
I am going to wash my bedding, do some laundry. I didn't get to paint yesterday, so I'm gonna paint and try to have a relaxing day. She had the zoomies all day today, so I think she's a little worn out because she was doing the most. Huh, Doja? Oh yeah, her so tired, little funny. Her just a tired little kitty. Can I pet you? No. Her just a tired little kitty. Yeah, her just a tired little kitty dude. Okay, bye. I'll see you later. I love you. Okay, so my hair is not hairing. What is this? I need to get a trim ASAP. Rocky. Just doing a little root check-in. As I've mentioned before, I'm thinking about letting it grow out. We will see. So I have a book recommendation. This is a lot lighter than the stuff I've been sharing. This is a Moonlight Gratitude, and it is 365 Nighttime Meditations by Emily Silva. If you follow me over on Instagram, you've seen this book many moons over on my story. And it looks like this. It may look familiar. December 10th. Oh, happy Vlogmas Day 10. I didn't even say it. December 10th. I love reading this before bedtime. They're just like little affirmations, little reminders. Doja really likes it too. Do your guys' cats chew on your books? Oh, by the way, I woke up with a sore throat and my throat hurts so bad right now. 'Tis this season, am I right? Okay, so December 10th. Driving through the desert can seem long and tedious. We look at the horizon, where sand, cacti, and the sky stretch on for what seems like an eternity. Suddenly, a roadrunner whizzes by on the road, providing a welcome break in the monotony. The driver gasps in excitement and smiles at the discovery. Roadrunners are a reminder to be lighthearted. The perception of a boring ride is transformed by the anticipation of discovery. Perception creates awareness. A really great nighttime read to unwind with. And I felt like this was fitting because it's Sunday. I hope that you guys were able to relax a bit, especially again with the holidays. It's so important that we take a little bit of time to slow down. I had a bath this morning and then I took a shower, did some skincare, did some laundry, washed my bedding, and just kind of did like a little reset and preparing for this week because it's gonna be a crazy one. So that's my book recommendation. To paint a little bit today. I don't want to show you guys the painting until it's done. And I'm also not rushing this one. I usually, like all my paintings I've done in one sitting, and so I'm really excited to take my time with this one. Maybe I'll be done by the time like Vlogmas is over and I can do it on the last day or something. That'd be cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go do That's fire though. You don't even need to do anything. Beautiful. Yeah, really good.
Keep stirring.
I would do
Do the whisk it. Take over.
Well, babe, your hand must really hurt. Let me see.
It's got to go into the sauce.
Yeah, you want to do that now? Oh, we need 3 more cups of cheese.
Like, I love cheese. I love cheese. So this person texts.
Cheers. Tomorrow's Monday because that's what comes after Sunday. Oh my God. I still need to make my bed.
I'm gonna make the bed.
Help me. And then I think we're gonna watch a movie right now after I upload this. What are we gonna watch? I'd rather watch a movie than a show.
Don't put me on the spot. I'm watching football.
You're like, we're gonna watch football.
Dinner was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I hope
So
the video does it justice. Oh, by the way, the garlic bread,
Amazing.
best of the best.
Best. I told him he should start a garlic bread truck.
So good.
I would visit you.
I hope so.